Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here again, and I want to first congratulate you on picking up SyndLab. You are now equipped with the most powerful syndication app on the market for getting rankings, traffic, and sales. However, before I send you off to the members area, there's something very special that I'd like to share with you. On this page, we have a very special 5-part offer that will put your SyndLab syndications on steroids. The first part of this 5-part offer is to unlock our tiered syndication. Tiered syndication is a very powerful strategy used by all the top search engine marketers to get even more page 1 rankings faster and with more consistency. Tiered syndication means that you'll be able to syndicate your main content and then tell SyndLab to syndicate that syndicated content. This will have Google drooling over your content, and they'll have no choice but to reward you with page 1 rankings. And the best part is you don't need any previous experience to deploy tiered syndication into your campaigns. With SyndLab, it's as easy as clicking your mouse. And that's just part 1. Part 2 of this offer is unlocking our agency license. This will allow you to use SyndLab on your own campaigns and your clients' campaigns as well. So if you're doing any kind of client syndication or client SEO marketing, this is the perfect fit for you. You'll be able to create different campaigns for each of your clients and easily manage their syndications. And the best part is you'll be able to charge your clients however much you want for syndication services and keep 100% of the profit. How amazing is that, right? And we're just getting started. Part 3 of this offer is unlocking our Extended Networks pack. With our Extended Networks pack, you'll be able to syndicate your content to an additional 5 sites. But it gets better. You'll also get exclusive access to every new site that we add to our network in the future. We're even planning to build out our own private network of high authority sites exclusively for our SyndLab members to syndicate to, and you'll get immediate access to those as well. This gives you more syndication power, more flexibility, and ultimately more rankings, traffic, and sales. Part 4 of this offer is unlocking up to 6 months worth of syndication scheduling. On the previous page, you were able to unlock up to a maximum of 14 days worth of syndications. However, on this page, you'll be able to schedule up to 6 months worth of syndications if you'd like. This will allow you to truly use SyndLab as a set and forget tool and have it working hard for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on complete autopilot. Set it up once and let SyndLab get to work for you. The 5th and final part of this offer is the best and most valuable of them all. In this part, you'll be unlocking all syndication limits on your account. Yup, you heard that right. Unlimited syndication. On the previous page, you were able to get a maximum of 1,000 syndications per month and 250 different campaigns. On this page, you'll be able to unlock all limitations and be able to syndicate an unlimited amount of content for you and your clients, and also be able to create an unlimited amount of campaigns. In the syndication arena, getting unlimited syndications and unlimited campaign creation is unheard of, and if you do find it, it comes with a huge price tag. This part alone is easily worth hundreds of dollars per month. So at this point, you may be wondering, Josh, all of this sounds amazing, but how much is this amazing 5-part offer going to cost me? Well, considering that you're getting our tiered syndication, which we can sell as a standalone feature, the ability to use on your client campaigns, which we can also sell as a standalone feature, our Extended Networks pack, which gives you an additional 5 sites plus all future sites we add, up to 6 months worth of scheduling and automation, and unlimited syndication and campaign creation, we can easily follow the route of our competitors and charge hundreds of dollars per month for these additional features. However, because you're our newest charter member of SyndLab, we've decided to offer a very massive but very limited discount for this 5-part offer. And you're covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so if for any reason you're not satisfied with these additional features, just shoot us an email and we'll give you a full refund. Go ahead and take advantage of this massive but limited time charter members discount below this video.